Hi everyone. This is a quick Greek tutorial about how to install the Greek keyboard. And there's a separate Greek tutorial right below this one that explains how to practice using the Greek keyboard once it's installed. But about the installation, the easiest thing to do is to just simply click on the Keyman link down below, and it'll take you to a page where you see Keyman 14 for Windows and for Mac OS. So let me just click that. As we turn to the page, hopefully it won't take too long, let me explain a little bit about Keyman 14. It is actually a tremendous tool because so scroll down to the bottom and then you see Keyman 14 for Windows, Keyman 14 for Mac. I'm going to be going through the Windows installation because that's what I have. And I don't have a Mac, so sorry I can't demo with the Mac. And hopefully, though, that it'll be comparable installation processes. One thing about Keyman 14 is that it's an important tool for study of Greek 1, 2, and exegesis because it's the first time that allows you to use any font. So it doesn't matter if it's Times Roman, Arial, Helvetica, name the font, and Keyman 14 allows you to type in that font English and Greek. You can switch back and forth. And so it used to be in the past that you relied on a particular font that's installed on your computer and you type out the Greek that way. But the problem is that the person who receives your work might not have the same Greek font, and if that person doesn't have that same Greek font installed on your computer, it comes out as gobbledygook when they try to read your work. The beauty of Keyman 14 is that it allows you to type in any font, Times Roman, Helvetica, it doesn't matter what it is, and it will read on any computer, whether yours or someone else's. It does this with MS Word. It does with typing into a web page, or in our case, the Canvas program. It works when you type emails. So you definitely want to not only have this program installed on your laptop or desktop computer, but you need to develop a dexterity, a really good use of the keyboard while you're taking Greek 1, 2, and eventually exegesis. So go ahead and click on Keyman 14 stable version, and so you will click on that. And then for the Mac OS, if I scroll down a little bit, you'll be clicking on the Mac OS version of Keyman. So when you click on it, go ahead and download the program onto your desktop. And when you do, so go ahead and click on the installation. Here I just put it on my desktop. So you'll be clicking this, and I'm not going to be installing it twice. It's already on my computer. But you click on it, Keyman setup. You click the install button, and then just walk through the menu. So I'll pause and let you go through that. Now once Keyman 14.0 is fully installed on your computer, and you might want to restart the computer before doing this next part, scroll down, and then what you'll need to do is you'll need to click the link to the keyboard itself. Now Keyman allows you to download all sorts of keyboards, in modern languages and in ancient ones, but we're keenly interested in the Greek classical keyboard. So you're going to go ahead and download the Greek classical one. So while there are a lot of ancient Greek keyboards, it's the Greek classical keyboard that is the one you want. And go ahead and install the keyboard. So you want to click on the download link, and you want to go ahead and install the program onto your computer. So go ahead and do that. So click it onto your computer. Go ahead and click on the setup, and then install the Greek keyboard onto your Keyman 14.0 program. So the process again is you download the Keyman program first, and that's just a general keyboard program. And then you download the Greek classical keyboard separately, install that. Make sure that you do download the setup exec onto your computer. Don't try to set up the keyboard through Chrome or through your web browser, it won't install correctly. It usually makes mistakes. It's better to have the whole setup downloaded on your computer and install fresh from your computer the keyboard itself. So again, you want to install the Keyman 14.0 program separately, install that fully, and then download the Greek classical keyboard, install that fully. Go ahead and do that. I'll pause, and then we'll go back to how it looks and what it looks like. Now, how to practice and use the keyboard now that's installed will be covered in the following video.